Domino's Pizza is a global pizza restaurant chain that was founded in 1960 in Ypsilanti, Michigan. The company's early success came from its delivery service, which allowed customers to order pizza over the phone and have it delivered to their doorstep. Throughout the 1970s and 1980s, Domino's Pizza continued to expand its delivery service and develop its menu, offering a range of pizza toppings and side dishes. The company's iconic logo and branding also helped it stand out in the crowded pizza market. In the 1990s, Domino's Pizza faced increased competition from other pizza chains and a shift towards healthier eating habits. In response, the company underwent a major rebranding effort in 2009, focusing on the quality of its ingredients and the speed of its delivery service. Domino's Pizza also introduced innovative technology, such as its pizza tracker, which allows customers to track the progress of their order in real time. This technology, along with an increased focus on online ordering, helped the company reach a younger, tech-savvy audience. Today, Domino's Pizza has over 17,000 locations in more than 90 countries and is known for its wide range of pizza toppings and quick delivery service. The company has also continued to innovate, introducing new menu items like its cheesy bread and chicken wings, and expanding its delivery capabilities to include autonomous vehicles and drones. Thanks for watching.